unit. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I appreciate you. And everyone, don't forget to hit the like button down below, leave a comment, and check to see if you're subscribed. Check to see if you're getting all notifications for when I upload a video. First, I'd like to thank Fashion Vila store on Amazon for sending me this unit to review on my channel. Thank you. Let me go ahead and give you the details of this unit. It's Brazilian straight human hair. It's ombre with bangs, 150% density. There is no lace because it has bangs. It's a glueless, virgin hair, 24 inches. And the color is honey blonde, so it's a mixture of T4 and 30. And this is the particular unit, you guys. You know, I haven't worn straight hair in a while. Yeah, I haven't worn straight hair in a while, you guys, and I'm kind of really feeling the straight hair vibe. Okay, so let me talk about the pros and cons. Okay, now the pros, of course, would be the gorgeous color. All right, I love the ombre-ness of it. Okay, a second one would be the density for me. It's 150% density, and I know for many of you guys that is too low, but for me it's absolutely perfect. I don't like really thick hair, and so the density on this is absolutely amazing. It really came straight right out of the pack, So I just, you know, ran my flat iron right through it, and it straightened perfectly fine to me. It doesn't really tangle. I think that's another reason why I like a lower density type of wig, because I feel that it doesn't tangle as much as a thicker density, you know? And so it doesn't really tangle at all. But again, this is just my first impressions. It sheds a little, I'm not going to lie, it does shed a little. And I also like the fact that it is a bang unit, so it is easy to apply, you guys. Didn't take long, took a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's about $140, okay? It's $140, which is fairly reasonable for human hair. You guys, this is human hair if I did not mention it. Very, very reasonable for human hair at this particular length, okay? It is 24 inches, so it is long, all right? And that's something else that I like about it. Now let's get into the cons. Even though it has bangs, I'm not a fan of how thin the bangs are. They're very, very thin. So even though I don't like thick hair, I don't want my bangs to be super duper thin. And so I'm just having problems a bit, kind of styling it a bit, you know, a little bit. So the bangs are a little bit too thin for me. Yeah, a little bit too thin for me. Also, something else I don't like, it has a lot of flyaways. All right, a lot of flyaways. I did try to use a little bit of my hair oil, just a tiny bit of my hair oil to kind of, you know, lessen the flyaways, but it's still kind of there. It's not that bad. It has tamed them a bit. All right, so it's the density of the bangs, which is a little too thin for me, that I don't like. The bangs are extremely long too, and I had to cut them, which is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with cutting the bangs, because you know, everyone's head shape is not the same, so you want to definitely customize it to your own head. So it's not necessarily the length of the bangs, I think it's the density of the bangs that was just, I'm not a fan of. And it doesn't look like the picture that I saw online. The bangs don't. So I'm not a fan of that. So yeah, those are the two cons for this particular hair. Other than that, I think it's a go. I think it's a win. It may be a little hot for this particular season, so you know, I don't know, I think I will again wear this during the fall and the winter, because it's a bit hot to be wearing bangs and this length of hair during the spring and the summer. So that, I guess, would be another con. But again, so if you have any questions about this unit, please don't forget to leave them down below. Don't forget to also follow me on all of my social media accounts, you guys. I am on Instagram, TikTok, I have a Facebook page, and I am on Snapchat. Alright, so follow me on one of my social media platforms, or all of my social media platforms, and I'll see you over there. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching this video, leaving a comment, liking, you know. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, take care. Bye.